Hi. I'm Geek God, welcome back to another brand new tutorial. As always, let's learn something really fast, without any lags. From the several requests that I got from my online community, I have decided to start Microsoft Excel basic tutorials. Please note, this video is intended to teach some of the basic operations that is really useful. Okay, let's start. Today I'm giving some basic lessons about Microsoft Excel VLOOKUP and Pro shortcuts. As you can see, I have two Excel files here. 1. Master file. 2. Source file. So, there are several columns on master file, which are not present in source file. Basically what I'm trying to do is do a VLOOKUP and copy all contents from master file to source file. I need to compare column 1 data from source file and fill in all fields respectively. I cannot copy-paste all data from master file as data is not in order and it needs to be comparative. Here comes the importance of doing a VLOOKUP. If I'm manually doing this, it can take up to 2 hours. Just get familiarized with my two files. I'm looking data from master file and I need data to be filled in onto source file. I hope there is no confusion here. Okay, let's begin. Here's the formula, type equal to, then type VLOOKUP and then put a bracket. Now select the data that you need to compare with the data on master file. In this case, I'm selecting column 1. Now, go to master file and select column 2, then type 2,0. First result will come in cell 1, now drag and drop to fill in all the cells. Here, you can see that some cells are not showing any value, so from this we can infer that, the comparative value is not present in master file. We can check this by copying and try to find it from master file. Now, let's continue. Now I need to find model name. We do the exact same formula which we applied earlier. Here the only difference is we type 3,0 as we need value from third column, so that, it, oh my god, you learned it. You can do the same in order to get all the rest of data. Formula remains same, only thing is you need to adjust column number for master file. I hope this tutorial is very simple to understand. If not, please let me know from comments, too will help to improve what's lacking here. I need your feedback to learn and improve. While doing tutorials I will be teaching simple shortcuts, that will save your operations time like anything. Once you become a pro in Excel, you can totally stop using mouse and everything can be done from keyboard, using shortcuts. Trust me, there are some life-saving shortcuts in Excel. Once get familiarized, then you are a pro. I'm just skipping this video, so that you learn without any lag. So we are done. In the source file we can see a lot of values that are not there, it's just because those values are not available on master file as well. Here, what I did is, I applied a filter and filtered out the values which are not available. Just copy-paste one value from source file, press Ctrl and F key, now paste that value in dialog box and click on search. We couldn't find any match, so this was the reason why values were not available on master file. Now, just giving you an additional shortcut. Whenever you see cells are clustered against each other and you need to make it right, you cannot always go to each cell border and double-click to set its perimeter. There's a shortcut for this one. First select the whole page using combination of Ctrl key and A. Then press Alt key, +O, +C, +A. These should be done in one flow, that's it. Now, you are a pro in Excel. We just started, tune in for more videos on Microsoft Excel. Please let me know how was the tutorial. This video will be lesson 1, I will be posting lesson 2 soon. Thanks.